Hi viewers. Do you want to enroll yourself into the Nishtha 2.0 online in-service teacher training program? Here in this tutorial, I shall show you how to register and access Nishtha 2.0 course easily. First, you need to open your Chrome browser in your laptop or desktop. On the address bar, you type the address www.diksha.gov.in/as and press enter. The Diksha Assam portal will be open like this. If you wish, you can read the abouts of this portal here. Otherwise, you just go to the right top of this web page and click on the sign in button. As soon as you click on sign in, this login window will appear before you. But you cannot log in as you are the first time user. For that, you need to register yourself. To register, you have to click on the link register here. This will open up the registry window before you. And you need to put your required details accordingly. First, you need to select the birth year here. Then, you have to put your official name here. Then, you must put your active mobile number or email ID here. We should better put the mobile number, because we can easily get the OTP in mobile phone. After that, you choose a desired password of minimum 8 characters, with alphanumerical, capital and small letter combination. Then you need to re-enter the same password here. After that, you do check this box, and click on the register button. As soon as you click on the register button, an OTP will be sent to your mobile number. That OTP will be valid only for 30 minutes. Then, you need to put the OTP here, and then press submit. Congratulations! Your account is created, and ready. After that, this login window will appear, and you have to log into your account with your mobile number and password. After logging in, this window will appear before you, and you have to update the following details. You need to choose the board under which you are working, medium, class, and subject. As I belong to Assam State Board, I choose State Assam, medium will be English, class will be other, and the subject will be CPD. After that, finally press submit. After successful submission, Welcome to Diksha window will appear. From this, you have to click on the thumbnail teacher, and press continue button. Then, your location window will appear before you, and you need to submit your location details, that is your working place details. You need to enter your name, role, state, district, block, cluster and school name accordingly. After that, press submit button. Here, at this point, submission of your personal details is completed. However, if you feel at any point that you need to update your personal details, then you click on this circle with your name's first letter, then click on profile. There you will find the edit option, thus you can successfully edit your personal details. If you want to add your email address, then click on add email address button, and update your email address. You will get an OTP in your email account. You need to put that OTP, and submit it. Isn't it so easy? To access the Nishtha 2.0 courses, you need to click on the course button. The available courses will appear before you. As you click on the course thumbnail, the course content will be shown, and you need to proceed step by step. You need to click on the green button of join course, and then your course will be started. For that, you just need to share your details with Diksha by simply clicking on the check box. Your courses will be visible, and you can complete your course step by step. Isn't it easy enough for you? Hope you like this tutorial. If so, give a like to this video, and share with others. Thank you.